entire selection process and the appointment of Justice Sudarshan Reddy as Goa's Lok Ayukta was not in accordance with law. The whole process was not transparent. Justice Sudarshan Reddy was handpicked by Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar to be a S-man Lok Ayukta of Goa. This was not acceptable. In fact, I had moved a petition before the Honorable High Court. The Honorable High Court did not agree with my contentions, and so I had moved the Supreme Court, and the petition was supposed to come for hearing in 2 weeks' time, because this matter had to be challenged, because it is no point having a yes-man Lok Ayukta. A Lok Ayukta has to be independent of any political interference from the government. In fact, the name of Justice Sudarshan Reddy was suggested by Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni, who in conjunction with Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar rushed the selection of Justice Sudarshan Reddy. That was not proper, because we needed a very independent Lok Ayukta to ensure that the rampant corruption which is prevailing in Goa comes under control. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar, like the Gujarat Chief Minister Narendra Modi, want a yes-man Lok Ayukta. We have seen what has happened to the post of Lok Ayukta in Gujarat, and the similar state was that in Goa. So this is not acceptable. It is no point having a Lok Ayukta in the first place if the Lok Ayukta is not independent. Now, if Justice Sudarshan Reddy has resigned, it is a matter of relief in the sense that my petition before the Honorable Supreme Court will become infructuous. It will save me some time from having to fight against Sudarshan Reddy in the Supreme Court. I would once again request the Chief Minister of Goa and the Governor of Goa, His Excellency B.V. Vanchu, to ensure that if they are planning to appoint another Lok Ayukta, it should be an independent Lok Ayukta, because there is no point having a yes-man Lok Ayukta who will dance to the tunes of the Goa government. And this is what exactly Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar wants. He wants the Lok Ayukta to be controlled by him like the Vigilance Department. And if this is the case, we are not going to be able to curtail and ensure that corruption in Goa is exposed.
So what happens to the petition that you are filing against
No, if Justice Sudarshan Reddy has resigned, my petition before the Supreme Court becomes infructuous, because my petition before the Supreme Court is to set aside the appointment of Justice Sudarshan Reddy. So if he has resigned, the petition becomes infructuous. It has saved me some time and money of having to fight against Justice Sudarshan Reddy before the Supreme Court, because my whole case before the Supreme Court is that the whole selection process of Sudarshan Reddy was not in accordance with law, because it had to be an independent selection process, and the government could not have its full say. In this case, the consultation done with the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court was just done for formality. But my case before the Supreme Court is that the view of the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court was very important, because it was the duty of the Goa government to write to the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court and Chief Justices of other High Courts to recommend names of good persons for the post of Lok Ayukta. But the Goa government intentionally did not do this, because they wanted a yes-man Lok Ayukta. So they themselves, the Advocate General, a committee headed by the Advocate General, selected Justice Sudarshan Reddy, and then just as a formality, they got it confirmed with the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court, which is not in accordance with law.
So it's a big relief for the Goans.
Yes, because Goa is seeing rampant nepotism and corruption. And if this is to be arrested, we need a very free and a fair and a open-minded Lok Ayukta who will have the guts to take the government to task for the wrongdoings it is doing. But in case of Justice Sudarshan Reddy, he was a hand-picked Lok Ayukta, so he would not have been able to do justice to that job. So it is no point having a Lok Ayukta who is not effective. It is better to keep the post vacant.